How to use QR code on Facebook Messenger. So if you want to use the QR code on Facebook Messenger, then it's a new feature. So before proceeding, you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and search for Messenger. And if you have any updates under your Messenger, then you just need to simply go with Update and update your Messenger. Once you've updated, now you just need to simply go back and open up your Messenger application and go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. Now once you're on the upper left, you need to go with the settings option, which is on the upper right. Now once you're here, on the upper right side again, you will have a QR code option. So if you have Meta AI turned on your Facebook or your Messenger, or if you have the new feature, a new update, then you will have a QR code option on the upper right of your screen, where you will have a little QR code icon. So you can simply tap on the QR code icon, which will take you to the QR code where you will have your QR code of your account on your Messenger. You can simply share that QR code or reset your QR code, or share with different persons or different friends, or you can copy the QR code and send it to your friends. So in my case, in my region, I don't have the Meta AI or the new feature yet, so I don't have that option. But if you have that option, then on the upper right you will have the QR code. Simply tap on it and then you can use your QR code feature on your Facebook Messenger. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.